storm of the year. Look at this. Whew. Made it down to Windsor this time. I didn't hit the ditch. Every time it snows, it seems like they call it storm of the year now. But it actually is a pretty good storm. You got Chad, you got the Razor. We're gonna go for a little rip. She's coming down. Try not to roll it today, like Les. Rolls it and then just disappears like he always does. But look at the snow. Took me a little bit to get down here, but yeah, it was a good tour. I got a picture of a snow owl too, so that was neat. All right, the Razor, we're filling her up. Gonna go for a quick spin.
Giving her a little go-go juice.
Clean her off a little bit. She's a little muddy. We lost all our snow since the last time I was here, and then now it's back. You never know what's gonna happen in Canada, that's for sure. With our crazy weather. I swear we've had 3 winters this year.
Seriously, got so warm for a bit.
Anyways, we got the old Can-Am here. Les just rides it, breaks it, drinks a beer, and then leaves it. Last time I was here, he rolled it. So she's still a little cracked here. You tell the guy to go for a quick spin, he just wants to tip it on its side. Gets too excited. Anyways, hopefully we got a few feet. I'm surprised you don't have a snowmobile.
That's my next purchase.
Sea-Doo, Razor.
Sell the truck, buy a new truck, and then buy a snowmobile.
I finally got my Freshie truck. Whew. It's a bit different from the black.
Maybe I have to join the Platinum Club.
Team Platinum?
Team Platinum.
Your brother has a Platinum, Les has a Platinum, I got a Platinum. You gotta go Team Platinum, it's the way to go. Alright, let's fire up this Razor and go for a spin. He's warming up. This thing purrs. You should get a pipe on it.
I'm looking to pipe and ship it. I gotta keep up with Les, man.
I know.
This thing's hot now, just over 70.
We need to.
I can't keep up with them. So if I get an exhaust and a jet, brings it up to 95.
Nice. We need to all switch to Mavericks. Team Maverick, Team Maverick, Team Platinum.
I don't know, I might have to stick with the Razor.
I feel like you can fit in better places with the Razors. It's coming down. Let's see if we can bury this weapon. 4x4. Oh, don't want to get her stuck today. We don't have Les here to pull us out with the Mavs. Alright, let's fire this thing up, go for a spin. Oh, she's beauty out here. We're gonna hit the train tracks. I'm going in the ditch. Just snowing like a mother trucker out here. Woo! It is awesome out here. Beauty day for a rip. The old Polaris. How is it?
It's a little slick.
I thought you were going to hit the ditch there.
I know, it keeps the tire kept getting close to it.
You do have it in 4x2, so it does pull you over a little bit. Alright, let's head down the trail and see if we can find something. Stewart. Howdy, City. So much fun today. Just ripping the weapon up. Nice underneath. Powder. What else could you be doing on a day like this? You gotta enjoy the snow. She doesn't last long, that's for sure. That is awesome. That thing's gonna need a good thaw out after. Woo! Look how much snow is in this thing. Holy!
That's intense. She's a little covered inside.
You need a onesie like me.
We got an interior cleaning too.
Well, we'll do a few photos and we'll wrap this up since I can't feel my hands. Take her for a quick spin.
Time to rip around on the 1000S.
You didn't even get the seatbelt off. Too much fun. Woo!
Fair rules, last one to use it has to clean it. Huh? Clean her and gas her up. I think that's what it is. Quick shovel, quick shovel.
So much snow, oh my god. Tell us to turn the heat on in here. Time to put the weapon away. Scoop some of the snow out actually. Whew. Well, we're gonna wrap this up for now. It's she's a beauty day out to cause some trouble, that's for sure. We got more stuff to do later though, so thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you're a new viewer. Check out the links below. We got lots of merch and tons of other stuff, discounts and whatnot, so thank you guys again.
Am I allowed to pawn my truck off on a video?
Yeah. Oh, if you guys want to buy a truck, this Dodge is for sale over there. What is it?
2009 Ram 1500.
Perfect, yeah.
Lift.
Is she on Kijiji yet?
Not yet.
She will be soon. in the Windsor area. So if anyone wants to buy that truck, she's for sale. All right, thank you guys again. We'll see you later.